Everyone, today we are going to learn one Android tip. So normally when we build apps from the terminal, we do everything step by step, like clean, next test if exist, like build, then next install, and next open the app. So here we wait for one command to finish, then type the next one. It feels little lazy and wastes a lot of time. So I decided to try using a makefile. So makefile. So what it does, using this makefile, we can automate this flow. This makefile automates this flow. So what is the advantage of this? So just running one simple command make our UAT debug or release build faster. Like this script, this makefile, what it will do is it first cleans, next tests, next builds, next installs, next launch the app. So all these steps will be carried with one simple makefile. Okay, we just you run that script, it automatically, you should not wait for each job to finish, then run test, then run build, then run install, like that. So instead of that, if you use the simple makefile, so that will help faster. So how do we set up? So setup is very super simple. For setup this, I will show you. So install the makefile language. Okay, makefile language plugin. Okay, in Android Studio. Next, to create a file named makefile. Where you have to create this? In your project root directory. Okay, that's all. Thank you.